What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we have a 500 gram cake from Winda, Spider Nebula. It is a 21 shot cake. I don't know if you can quite see it there, but it says face this way, this side towards spectators for better view, so it's got some angle to it. Let's take a look at the bores here. As you can see, all about the same bore size. See that back row there? Yeah, all the same. You can tell they got some angle to them, going different which ways. Let's check out the performance. We got, sorry for that glare, for the reflective wrapping. It's got 5 different colors, 32 seconds, 160 feet. Of course, like I said, it's got some fan and straight shots. Performance, giant spider breaks with red, green, gold strobes, alternating with huge breaks of cloud-like nebula effects. Ooh, sorry about that. So the Spider Nebula from Winda. Let's take it out, see how she looks. Ooh, something hit me.